Here. Right, what's going on, guys? Welcome to another Limitless podcast where there is no limit to the discussion topics and so forth. Right, what I wanted to draw your attention to is what's been going on in the world right about now. We're in the brink of World War III. Can you believe it? In this day and age, yeah, we're still having wars, killing lives, humans everywhere. It's absolutely insane. Okay, I've been feeling absolutely empty, hollow inside, trying to process what's been going on. I've been struggling, man. I've been really struggling to make any sense of what's been going on. It's absolutely insane. There's no value to human lives anymore. But there is some good news that's come forward this week. Finally, a country with a bit of balls. Okay, South Africa has finally petitioned a genocide case in the World Court against Israel. Israel is being taken to court for genocide by South Africa, which is absolutely awesome news. Hopefully, this will force Israel to stop the killing in Palestine. Yeah, so the case that they put forward was absolutely tremendous. It was amazing, very strong. And some of the things that we've been posting on social media, all them, they were used as evidence. And I think, you know, they've got a really good case, and hopefully something will come of it. And the Israel forces will be forced to stop the killing in Gaza, Palestine, and so forth. And while we salute South Africa for their efforts and their strength, we also got to salute Ireland as well. They've been voicing their opinion from get-go. I think these countries need to be saluted, man. I mean, there are loads of other powerful countries out there, and they're just silent. You know, the fact that these two countries have been voicing their opinions, and finally they are doing something in the highest court in the world, yeah, it's absolutely amazing. It needs to be commended, and more countries need to start backing these two countries more and do something on a humanitarian level. If anything, you know, demand immediate ceasefire. While we praise South Africa, we also got to recall what's going on. We're currently in the brink of World War III. While this case go forth, what do you think Great Britain and Great USA go and do? They go and bomb Yemen. Okay, trying to stop these Houthis in the Red Sea, stopping the cargo going through. I mean, in my opinion, it's just a false flag to take away the attention from what's going on in the world court. It's always the way it is, isn't it? America, Great Britain do this all the time. But I'm trying to actually make any sense of what's going on in this world, man. It doesn't make any sense at all. It's absolutely insane, you know, in this day and age, yeah. What is going on? Wars are being fought, killing of innocent lives and that, you know. Can we not just get along? Man, I just want to modify cars, you know. That's it. Have fun, you know, live a little, you know. But, you know, when I say live a little, I mean, are we actually really living? Are we supposed to be free, democratic and so forth? Are we really free when our voices, yeah, are restricted, our opinions are restricted? We are not free at all, are we? Everything we say is restricted. We can't post anything. Okay, it gets taken down straight away. It's just crazy, man. You know how our lives, yeah, how we are bound, yeah, by the governments, the superpower, you know. And also, you know, have you heard what Rishi Sunak has done this week as well? He's only gone to the World Court, not World Court. He's gone to Ukraine to give 2.5 billion of our taxpayers' money to support Ukraine's war. Man, while we're here freezing our asses off, yeah, can't pay the bills, can't pay for food, yeah, he's going out there, yeah, funding a war which has nothing to do with us. Yeah, that's the kind of world we live in, my people. Wake up and smell the coffee, man. Our lives don't really matter. Superpower will continue doing their super things. Yeah, and we'll continue to pay the tax and fund it. Until we wake up, yeah, these super people will be doing their super evil things. Wake up, smell the coffee. We really, 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 really need to wake up, demand, okay, the people that we are paying our taxes to do something right for once, you know. Save the people of our country, save the homeland people first and foremost before anything else. How can we continue, yeah? We just sit there, blame each other, blame each other's religions, each other's differences, okay? This is what the governments do. They divide, and then they go and conquer, then implement their world order plans. Oh man, that's just silencing us, yeah? We can't post nothing, we can't say nothing, yeah, without being penalized. Anyway, what I wanted to do now anyway is get back to talking about cars really over the next coming weeks, and that will be bringing like-minded people on the podcast and getting them to talk about how they got to where they are, and how they could help the next generation of youngsters that are coming along. So what I've got here in front of me is a young chap. He's only 16 and he wants to get into cars and that. I don't think he really knows which directions to go, you know, both in terms of education, in terms of what to do with his career and so forth. Yeah, Tyrese, what's going on, man?
Yeah, so obviously back at college now. So right now it's like I don't know where I'm at in terms of obviously like, you know what I mean? Like,
You've seen people in the car scene, yeah? You look up to them, yeah? Would you not really want to know how they got to where they are?
Yeah.
That is something I want to bring to this channel. Talk to the like-minded people who are into the cars and that, how they're funding it, what route they took to get to where they are. Yeah. And that's what I plan to do. I think it will help like-minded people like you who are confused, don't know which direction to go, and stuff like that. So that's what we're going to be doing over the coming weeks, and that helping likes of Tyrese get some understanding of what the motor industry is all about, how we got to where we are, how we funded our cars and stuff like that. So keep subscribing to this channel, support it, and let's get it growing. And if you are looking to get involved, if you have a story you want to tell, if you've got a career, if you've got some supercars that you've got, get involved. Let us know how you got to where you got to, and that. Let's help these kids out there, man. They're all struggling. Okay, we all wanna do things that are constructive. If we help one another, maybe we'll help our community, help our kids, not get into trouble. Let's use our platforms, to support, help, guide these youngsters out there. You know what I mean? Tyrese is looking to modify a car, ain't you, at the moment? We got a project car. Yeah. So we're going to be building a project car and taking that to shows and let him live the experience that we lived as Hay Squad and stuff like that. It's absolutely amazing, man. I swear to God, the feeling, the adrenaline, when people admire, something that you've built. That's what we're going to be doing over the coming weeks and months and stuff like that. And if there's anyone out there that want to come along and tell their stories, share their views and opinions, come along. Let's do this together. That's it. Anything else?
That's it.
You sure? Yeah, that's it. All right, cool.